world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Okay, this is my least favorite Rough Rider camp knife. Okay, it's a classic carbon, it's wonderful, but one big concern that people have with this guy is the fact that the cap lifter is a bit too short. Now, you can open a beer if you do it like that, but still, that's not the way it is supposed to be used. We have a beautiful can opener, and we have a beautiful awl. Then we have our main blade. Now, I must say the T10 or whatever they use on this thing does not like meat juices. It discolors quite quickly because of that. But fantastic high carbon steel, and I know lots of people love them. Okay, so this is the carbon steel, black micarta, blue liners. Almost, there's a bit of capping there, but nothing to worry about. Brass liners. Okay, wonderful. And if you like camp knives, I'm pretty sure you'll love this thing. And we have a bail. Now, this is not the one we're talking about today. I got a new classic carbon too. Now, I got this one from Carl. If you go and check that huge unboxing, Carl, you are the man. Okay, beautiful, what's this? Black micarta, same blue liners. We can see that this guy has been used quite a bit. It's been tarnishing. Beautiful. Oh, we have a lanyard hole or something there at the back. Yes, we do. So that's quite nice. Oh, I almost thought I didn't see it on. Anyway, so this is a bow trapper. Beautiful pinches. We do have the R on this one. Then we have a beautiful big clip blade. And it's a wonderful clip blade. Okay. Sharp as sin. We do have that little kick over there if you want to stop it. Nice back spring on this guy. Walk and talk. Pretty good. Very lazy half stop. Nice half stop. And then we have our skinning blade or our spay blade, whatever you want to call it. But this is a skinning blade. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful blade style. Feels wonderful in hand. The bow is just so nice. Yes, there we go. Big clip, nice swedge. Very, very cool. And if you're into the whole carbon steel thing, this thing is going to be wondrous. Okay, so there's my two classic carbon 2s. I have a few more of the normal classic carbon, but the 2 is actually pretty cool. No problems with that. We do have a beautiful shield on there. Very nice. And then back-to-back R's, and we see our code. What's that? 2212. Yes, 2212. And we see, we can actually already see the blade as being, well, it is patinaing. It's like getting duller. It looks pretty awesome, actually, this one. Just make sure if you do cut meat with them, to wash them immediately after that. Because like I said, you can see the marks on this guy. Yes, it's quite pronounced. If you just cut something, or even cutting open a bag with meat in it and then just closing it, when you're gonna look at it an hour or two later, it's already gonna have marks. So yes, well, it's a good thing and a bad thing. Bad if you don't like it, great if you like character on your knives. Okay, I'm gonna be braaiing now. Okay, so follow along if you want to. Okay, my fire was about right, and then my son chucked in an extra piece of wood, but it's about right again. So let's start braaiing. We're doing ribs. Okay, I have 2 packs on the fire. I have 1 left, but they're looking delicious. Okay, ribs are a happiness. They make me very, very happy. Okay, I'm not going to show how I'm eating these things. All of you enjoy your weekend. If you have made it till the end of this video, you are fantastic. Give yourself a thumbs up. And have a lovely rest of your weekend. All of you, stay safe, happy, have a good one. Goodbye.